Welcome, Raphael.
Hello, Pierre.
At Centreon, we are very good at talking about monitoring. This is our core competency. But what our customers tell me is that monitoring is only relevant if it is connected or integrated with a whole range of other IT operations tools. Can we first list these various IT operations tools?
Sure, I would say probably the most typical is ITSM with incident management, but more and more customers adopt incident response solutions as well, or observability stacks that require data from monitoring. And really the thing is to see monitoring more as a hub than a component in and of itself. And the goal of integrating it, of course, is to gain efficiency and more collaboration, consistency as well in the way that those events and metrics are managed.
All right, so ITSM, event management, incident response, IT automation, observability, many different kind of tools, which probably means many different integration capabilities or methods. Can we list the various methods that Centreon implement to talk to these platforms?
Absolutely. So most methods are based on APIs, whether the Centreon API or the destination API, I would say. The one that is the most standard is what we call stream connectors, who actually are there to filter the data and send that filtered data in a almost raw format into a third-party application, so that then it triggers their own processes and so on. Another way is to work with notifications beyond just email notification. For instance, you can use scripts that either call an API or create an action of some kind based on thresholds that are reached. Another more traditional way actually is what we call open ticket. That is our incident connection with our event plug, right? So directly from a list of events, the operators in the NOC can select those events and create a ticket into an ITSM solution.
All right, and copy-paste automatically all the relevant information.
Correct.
You mentioned incident response, which is like a new trend for teams. What is that? How do we do it?
Yeah, so more and more teams need agility, especially around the SREs, DevOps teams, and so on. They need agility, collaboration, and so on. When I would say in stressful situations, they need the right trigger for those incident response policies, almost, right? So we have created connectors from Centreon to PagerDuty, for instance. That is one of the largest deployed incident response solution, where an event in Centreon can actually trigger a complete collaboration workflow for SREs within PagerDuty. On a similar vein, I can cite Signal4, another player in that space. Now, you can do things as simple as integrating with Microsoft Teams as well, to have a notification channel for those incidents and collaborate.
Okay, so much more advanced collaborative ways than in the old times when we just had a pager or an SMS.
That's right.
Maybe at another end of the spectrum, a lot of our customers are using these big platforms such as ServiceNow. Can we integrate Centreon with ServiceNow?
Yes, of course. We have several ways, depending on what customers want. We have a stream connector that can stream raw events into a staging table of ServiceNow, and then ServiceNow looks up this table and triggers the right appropriate workflow that's been configured in ServiceNow for incident response. We also have an open ticket connector, so operators look at the event log and again can create an incident directly in ServiceNow with the right content.
So that all the workflows are fully integrated.
Yes.
All right. So what I understand is that, first of all, it's critical to integrate monitoring with all these other IT operations tools. Second is that there are many different tools, so there are many different methods which means that when I am about to choose a new monitoring platform, I will have to think about how will that platform integrate with my current IT operations environment. Maybe a last question, where do I get information about all these integrations with Centreon?
Yeah, so depending on the level of information you need, you can look at our website, centreon.com, of course, to get some overviews of those integrations. We have a page that is dedicated to listing those integrations. You can also get more information through our documentation, as well as our community, the watch.centreon.com, that gives a number of knowledge articles around integrations. Now, I would say really the experts are our partners. All of those integrators around the world who actually are able to advise what is the best method depending on the customer's needs.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Raphael.
You're welcome.